Hey guys, this is John Johnson of Capture Productions Inc. You can find me at johnjohnson101.com. Today's quick tip video is going to be about preventative maintenance with CCleaner. CCleaner is pretty much a free application that you can find. I'll put the link at the bottom of the page. And what it's going to do is clean up your temporary internet files, your history, your cookies, your recent type URLs, index, and the list goes on, and it really does a good job. And this is one of the main things that I run, along with a couple of other programs that I'll make another video about soon. It also will clean up your registry. It has other tools that you can look at, uninstall different applications. Oh, and you can upgrade it to the pro version, but the free version is pretty good for right now. We'll do a quick analyze under the cleaner tab. Analyze. Up, I gotta close Chrome. Okay. And we see that we have a lot of things going on. 98 megabytes. I actually just ran this the other day. Actually today. So just to run the cleaner, hit this, run cleaner. This will permanently delete files from your system. Are you sure you want to proceed? But of course, and you can click don't show this option again. And wow, you've regained that little bit of space. And if you haven't done any maintenance or any preventative maintenance to your computer, you can have a gigabyte worth of stuff, maybe even more, maybe even less. I'm not really sure, but you definitely want to check out CCleaner at the link provided. Okay, so let's move on to the registry and scan for issues. It's running pretty quick. Okay, you can scroll down. Let's actually maximize this. So we have problems, and let's just fix the selected issues. Yes, notes, and save. Fix all selected issues. Issues fixed, just like that. Well, guys, this has been another quick tip video. Make sure you do your preventative maintenance, and CCleaner is a program that I recommend. It's free. I'll have the link at the bottom. Make sure you share the video, subscribe to the blog, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and see you next time.